National Football League, Seattle Seahawks and New England Patriots are proud to stand with the America 250
Woo!
division
America
in honoring this
football
historic
Super Bowl.
milestone
Let's
and
go.
reflecting on the enduring spirit of our
다
country.
좋아요. 그렇기 때문에
Now, signing
운동이
America
진짜도-
the Beautiful in American Sign Language is Julian Ortiz.
Sign language. 아 이게
Performing America the Beautiful, 11-time Grammy Award-winning artist from Washington State, Brandy Carlisle.
Oh, beautiful for spacious sky, for
The coin toss, minutes away from kickoff. Of
You
Super Bowl
LC
number 60.
호 Let's go.
Let's go.
This year, 14-3, tied for the best record in the league. Meeting here in Santa Clara, California.
Quarterback, two quarterback.
Super Bowl 60. And Kristen, probably they were both 60-1 shots to get to the big game when the season started. Now,
Heads. Oh, relevant.
New England born across and elected the third choice for the second
저게 찬스.
First chance for that.
No, that one do. Not see over it. The near to put the New England. Let's go. That good luck.
쭉 겹쳐나.
Did it? Some good luck, low.
All right, the wait is over.
구멍 앞자리 샤요. 제보가 도와셔야 돼.
Super Bowl 60 kicks off
I said to do it.
on NBC. Just in case you needed a reminder, Seattle.
오늘 밥으로 빌드 때 샴페인 실수해요. 너무
New
많아.
England kicks off the rookie Andy Borregales.
야, that game go to store.
The first play of the playoffs for the Seahawks for a kick return touchdown in the divisional game.
아따르키. 풋볼을 더 저는 그 당분 동작 시간에 딜라고 저런 풋볼.
Off we go.
쏘쏘.
They don't want change.
다 고두 써서.
Ball come out. Good field position in the 35-yard line. That's where Sam Darnold and the Seattle offense will take over. One side, right around the first down as he knocks out of bounds at the 45-yard line. It is a big up 10.
응? First down 쳤어서.
Orange, Southern California, the first USC Trojan to start a Super Bowl. Jets took them number 3 overall.
이마게 시오게 고로베리야 입장무에 밤이 주어래. 어디 스페인이거든. 내가 로요 거든. 뭔가.
너무 야하네. 수비 좀 해요.
For Walker, he'll try the right side this time. Williams springs him out. No game, maybe they lost that.
It's okay, it's okay.
Jelani Tavai over there for the Patriots on the stop.
It's okay.
고문갑게 가셔 그래. 내가 가셔마다 고문갑게. 인다. Let's go.
On second and
요요요요요. Oh yeah. First down. That's it, some dude.
First down.
down for the second-year man out of Michigan. Full referee with us throughout the
다
game.
touchdown 제일 세. touchdown
Terry
제일 세.
said that should have been a catch.
오케이 run. 아야.
Couple of yards.
축적.
Yes.
No, come on, man.
Fourth down. Time to kick. That's it. That's good enough.
Field goal attempt.
뻔숨 나고 우리는
It's
지금.
okay.
I mean, we are seeing the New England
Thank you.
3 yards.
Yeah, that's true. Three goal.
And the Seahawks get the first
Bon,
point of the
just three
game.
goal.
8
Let's
plays
go.
and 51 yards down the field. Stopped in the red
뻔숨
zone.
나왔다 지금 왔다.
But 3 for Mike McDonald's team. And now Mike
다니엘은
Vrabel
touchdown
guys
제주주
get the
맞다.
ball.
까고다. 저저저 가르치 깡바라 주워 돼. 할래도 다리요 세살이야. 네.
Check down that they converted to Demarcus Stevenson as well.
야, 난 라이트 됐다.
Cable was pushed
연기를
back
게임
with
사격
4
뛴 거다.
minutes left.
어디? 아야, third one.
Start down. Okay, that's good.
나는 내 벌써 차면은 다
No, it's
다
good.
찍가 되고 다.
When Drake May's at his best.
야 따인다 다.
9 yards.
다 블록이야. 다 블록 까셔. 디펜스. 원리 다리. 오, 네. 다 야타다. 다 다.
Teach you.
그게 본선을 하는 말고.
짧게 쳤어.
아, 몸 앞에는 숨겨 사탔어. 야, 나 세금 구두입니다. 구두 시티가 세금 구두에서 10월 본선에 니에는 지로리. 아, 토비아리, 몸 앞에 토비아리.
¿Cómo no te espero?
몸 앞에 긴 로드에. 이게. 네. Ah, my God, Gloria, you salutasso, sata, tayo! 네. 아, 야. First down! Let's go! Say the touchdown! Wow, okay. First down. 퍼스트다운들 다시다운 차도 쳤어요. 다시다운 채하게 들이댔다. 이제 퍼스트다운 쳤어. 다시다 대고 두고 근데 지금 아이고 자
Drew that.
시험대. 나인다 쓰고. Touchdown, touchdown, touchdown. Let's go.
43-yard line, they'll call. This is the direction of the
Yeah,
wind.
that has to take a line. Got just need to show you that.
It's 8 miles
이제는 벌써 다 합격이라고.
Is the arrow coming up?
in
오늘
the stadium that'll
있는
move away
거지,
from
지금.
Myers, the
아, 네.
Seattle kicker, as I
이번
said,
리스트는
gets in here once a year. Feels very comfortable with what he'll have to deal with if it's a field goal attempt. 32 seconds left for
다유. 네, 다유.
Ali,
Come on.
kept inbounds at the 25, and the timeout taken by McDonald in Seattle.
야, 나 세계 승부성이 하지. 다행이다. 요. 아, 야.
Ah,
Only catch at the 18-yard line.
15
That was
seconds.
incomplete by the official coming
Time
into
to
the
go.
back, and that might be beneficial.
defense.
다타 랭보는 윤라 터치다운 속에 있었다.
Gonna look at how Seattle was lining up. They'll take the timeout. Let's focus on Mike Vrabel.
야, 다들 본 굴레야 진짜. 난 지로리다. 맞아. Thank you. Good level. 다 합친 차 스펀지.
With 11 seconds left till halftime, the Patriots getting the ball.
Game in the second half for
I
Sam
think it's
Darnold.
important to keep the game quiet for Sam Darnold. The way you do that is to run the ball again and again and again, and then on an early down after a made first down, go hard play action and take your shot. That's how you make a big play.
Yeah, the game is solidified. Kenneth Walker, this is a Kenneth Walker game. Don't get too cute. Keep feeding them. They struggle to tackle them. Let's keep doing the same thing.
Kenneth Walker, just keep feeding him the football. You guys said it. I mean, he's the one that's been able to give them the explosive plays in the game. So continue to feed Kenneth Walker.
Yeah, 94 yards in the first half, second most ever in Super Bowl history in a single half. Meanwhile, Drake May looking for an opportunity to get a victory. The Seattle Seahawks up 9-0 at the half.
Good level it and
Will be on the call. A Lombardi Trophy on the line.
Round in 30 minutes, or maybe more. Off to the third quarter, 9-0 lead for Seattle after the 5th Super Bowl without a touchdown in a half, and the 51 yards by New England, third fewest in the first half in Super Bowl history for a team. And the quarterbacks aren't doing much. Defense is dominating those 3 sacks of May, now 18 in this postseason. Cincinnati's Joe Burrow is the most sacked playoff quarterback in one postseason. And for Kenneth Walker, maybe the MVP of this game is around the corner. 94 yards, second most in the first half in Super Bowl history. Jimmy Smith at 131 on the way to his 204 record in Super Bowl 22. Mike Tirico, Chris Ellsworth, halftime show. Now the second half, I don't think there was a lot of enjoyment or seeing or listening to like this year's Play 60 Super Kid through the NFL's partnership with Gen U. You can visit NFL.com/Play60 to learn more. As one of the many flag football representatives we hear from throughout this high-profile week as that continues to grow. Jason Myers to kick off from Seahawks.
어둑소 오사다.
Quarter 3 begins. Short kick. Darius Johnson return opportunity for the Patriots across the 30 and slung down right around the 31-yard line by their great special teamer, Brady Russell. But then Melissa Stark.
Yeah, Mike, I talked to Mike Vrabel coming out of the half, and he told the players we need to block.
Pull together here. We'll have something to remember forever.
리베 블라블라블라 오케이. 그럼
As the coverage was blanketing him, it'll be second down.
And that's Nick Emanwari, who's out there, has been
End of the year voting this year.
아야.
That's okay.
It's something for the Patriots. 3rd and 3, protected initially.
That's the block.
By Josh Jones. Receiver was even out of bounds. Nothing for the Patriots. Another 3 and out for the week.
요 아따 좀. 오케이. 거기 내 런닝백 들렸어요. 근데 무슨 꼬르백이 런치스들이. 꼬르백이 와. 퍼스트다운 쓰시요. 뒤로 그랬죠.
Bill Williams is not going to
That was the last time,
him in this game. He has had Sam Darnold dead to
On the
rights,
quarterback,
and they
then.
can't get him on the ground. Right, this has been a really impressive game. These are two tremendous defenses, but it has sort of been.
퍼스트다운 저 Seahawks 시즌스키.
First turnover belongs to this incredibly talented Seattle defense.
Oh my god.
Calls had a heck
No,
of a
watch.
night tonight. He's going to come up and then loop back underneath to end up with this forced fumble. And remember, Mike, this is a four-man rush. One of the reasons that Drake May has had so much trouble finding somebody open
Yeah.
down the field is they can't block the guys in a four-man rush. And if you can't do that, you have almost no chance to win a game. This is, I know people are going to play action.
잘 보러 시발이
bootleg, and
패턴을 시.
tell you, we'll
Oh
see.
my god. That's
I'm
까단
I think
뱅이
you got it
못
right.
갔다 저.
That's a no call.
Terry McCauley agrees with you.
That's a first.
3rd and 9.
다유. Oh, that's a thank you.
On Gonzalez, trying to pitch up with him. Couldn't do it. And
준비치보다 대가리다.
back in the red zone.
다시 좀 치야지. 운행다시 좀 치야지. 그러지.
And so this is
다다 아셈블리 다시 좀 치지. 다다 그러지. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Running back you. 다유. Oh, touchdown. Touchdown. I tell you. Touchdown. 다다. New England 들어가셔야지. 다들은 레고 냈나. 다 너무.
A.J. Barner has the first touchdown of Super Bowl.
중류가도 누인잡이야 가지고 다 가드자 선주. 죽으래.
not much you can do about it.
죽으래.
Ball game
네.
inside the
죽을
Seattle
달래고.
43-yard line. Gives you an idea of how dominant this Seahawks defense has been. As they are 13 and a half minutes away from a Super Bowl title. Patriots fans holding on to any hope, maybe a thought of
하나보다 수법에 내고 차중 열애다.
quarter, and there was a long way to go.
내보다 하면.
There is not a long way to go in this one. Take the touch back. Patriots get the ball first at the 35.
Yeah, it hasn't been a good
Touchdown.
plus you shift the pressure back. Now the pressure's on Seattle to not turn it over. Keep this momentum going.
Oregon's going to put this one in
Sure.
play.
야, 트위시.
Good way.
트위시 원대.
That man, way.
31-yard line. Begins at the 31. Darnold
Good way.
Yes.
level to Shaheed.
First down.
Out of bounds a yard short.
Very good.
First down. Kaylee.
Guys, Jackson Smith and Jigba.
No 41-yard line. Walker. Inside. Keeson off the edge. Brings him down. for that.
다유, oh my god. Reset, man, come on. 다 quarterback 샴데 슛이 되는
Kiaso, Kias.
약보 니 제스로 된다 샴데 슛이 저런. 야, 냐서다.
Kias.
나 거는 냐서야.
Got nothing for you here. It's going to drop back.
네.
They're going to have a crossing route in here eventually. But there's just
네.
no way that ball was going to be completed.
Reception chest that Tuesday.
I think it got hit.
What did you call those at the
And it really wasn't that close to desperation time yet to where you just have to put it in harm's way.
Leaders of this Seattle defense. He comes up with a figure of the Super.
Ados, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, running back. Kun just studia shotos. Yeah, see what that does not the show and you. Shot. They shot us there. Yeah, push down. Yeah, chip in the doski.
That may be the most patient run I've ever seen. Le'Veon Bell would be proud of this one.
다들 running back 문에 200 yard run chase that drin.
Skip. In my loop. He's gone.
Right ahead to it. Gain a couple.
Other guys step in and he has done it.
Pretty even mix between the two. Walker back to the outside. Yards taken seven.
That touchdown to the touchdown. Please. 어디. 야, touchdown 채끊었어. touchdown 제목 가래 걸어가. touchdown 찾아. 나 free goal 시야. 킥시에만 됐다면.
For the Seahawks to try to preserve
Come
some
on,
time here.
man. See what touchdown GL
It
뺏가리
is
돼.
a 15-point game.
전화 쳤대. Oh my god. That they could have been the shoes that. That's awesome. That's too much.
Same blitz, Mike, has killed him all night long. They just cannot come up with answers.
야, 근데
It's
저기다.
not
근데
that
근데
difficult,
근데
and
톱
it's
보는
to the
리셉션.
open side for Drake May, and this is going to be just a learning
세상에
experience tonight.
시오는 디펜스 꽤 여유시나니. 디펜스 꽤.
Looks like Witherspoon's been coming around like 10 times in this game.
Seahawks 팀 리버에서는
And that one got there finally.
인류 정도.
노승주,
Tying the Super Bowl record
노인석기,
with that counting as a
브라이언
sack.
맞죠?
거시에 좋았던 것 등등.
버시의 세계니에도 맞죠?
29.
29
근데 지금 시애틀도 안 됐어요.
Same blitz, right? They're going to come here, they're going to go there, and here's the side.
Yeah,
Because as a
that's it.
quarterback,
One good thing with
you
that.
have vision to that side, but he has not seen that blitz, and he hasn't had an answer for it. He did show a few answers, but you just have to sometimes tip your cap
The quarterback
to
was
the
there.
other team.
Yeah.
They were physically tougher and stronger, and mentally they got
The drum
nothing
them the
against
do
this
again.
too.
then 코 슈다 볼직도 주도아.
Comes out and
내 코 주도 너무 싸면 되거든.
and gets it right out of the air. Well, Sam Darnold's the first USC quarterback to start a Super Bowl, and Nwosu first to go from May. And his end zone shot with Collins.
Very much so.
It's a good point, Chris, because the coach Billy Ford was the new coordinator at Kubiak, and might be looking for another coordinator. Kubiak takes this Raiders job as his recruiter.
에이,
Stepping up, throwing it,
다 용이야.
takes it off his shoe tops, and scores a touchdown.
나 감사합니다. 자, 줍시스.
He's going to run it in the last second flip to George from Andre Stevenson. Going to look at it, make sure that he caught it before it hit the ground.
And I think May thought that
오,
I think
이거보다 나중에 슈퍼볼 돌아들어서 나죠.
Walker goes forward for a yard. And the 2-minute warning comes out. Trying to go quick, and he line drives it out of there as segment of the league. And Michael
5 yards
Jackson,
special.
the Aussie, may be the best punter in the sport, and that was awesome. Here comes the pressure one more time from Witherspoon. Finally picked up.
근데 넘겨지르다. 수수 조회 선당다. 근데 이거 말이야. quarterback running back 망고 치느라.
Offside. Defense, number 7. Line up in the neutral zone.
That's
5-yard penalty. Replay first down.
First down.
They got good playoff games. They were difficult playoff games and good defenses.
Crack Dakota.
Yeah, that's the last chance today. Let's go. Dayu. Oh, that 맞다.
On the run.
Yeah, that
Down
맞다.
the downfield.
They did that. That's it.
Darnold to come back and do what he's done in this Super Bowl and in the entirety of these playoffs. Just can't say enough about it.
You're right, Chris, for all that doubted, all that wondered, all who gave up on him. He's going to be a Super Bowl champion. Final 20 seconds.
Ayu, see what's that?
Shot downfield into coverage. It's incomplete. In the hands, Henderson running into the sideline. Keeps going to the 29. And that will do it. Seattle reigns above them all
Yes,
in the NFL. The Seahawks, Super Bowl champions for the second time.
고무감자 가와셔야겠다. 제목은 샤이베 고무감자.
What an incredible job he's done.
Let's go Seahawks winner team.
Take it all in.
Jumbo win $500.
Take it all in.
This goes ballers. Rambo is gonna sponsor indoor 2 hours, 250.
인생값이 나라 인생값이 그게 인도 보시네.
Rambo sponsor 250 indoor.
우리가 나빠하고 있어야지.
고무하게 떴다. 500 떴다. 아니 저 250 달러 땄네.
You're looking around, the confetti's falling, you just want to
250 바구도 안 넣어봐. 250 스폰서지.
Oh no, it's just a dream come true, you know, because a lot of people
세상에 인도 라이브
never
눌렀어.
make it this far.
인도 라이브 눌렀어.
It's a blessing, you know. I thank Coach McDonald and the team, you know, for sticking together.
Yeah, and we heard how connected this team is
Yeah,
over
something with
and
the
over
sponsorship.
again. How special is it
We
to
missed
win
it.
with these guys?
It's great, you know, because we
You
went through
making
adversity
it.
throughout the
You like
season,
it.
but we stayed together. You know, that adversity showed who we were as a team, and you know.
Time to go celebrate with my guys, man. Thank you.
Thank you. Mike.
Kaylee, thank you. Well, it was Mike McDonald who said it on the podium after the NFC Championship game in front of all the 12s in Seattle. Yeah, you had to go through your 2 division rivals. People weren't giving you a lot of credit. He said very clear, we did not care. And that was a bit of the attitude that you heard in the comments there. Devin Witherspoon, as this Seattle team has climbed to the top of the mountain in the NFL and won the Super Bowl. Melissa.
Well, we have Sam Darnold down here. Sam, what does this moment mean?
It's unbelievable. You know, just everything that's happened.
38, 12 years after being hired as an intern, entering the NFL, he's now atop of the football world. Seattle's the Super Bowl 60 champ. The Walmart postgame show comes up after